Before we begin, we suggest using headphones so you can enjoy every word and detail with excellent audio quality. So, let's get started. Give them a good reputation to live up to. Encouragement so that problems feel easy to fix. Make them happy about doing what you suggest. Honest appreciation and praise. Start a conversation with genuine praise and appreciation. It instantly boosts the other person's confidence and makes them feel good. They'll be more open to what you suggest next. Starting with praise is like the dentist using Novocaine before a drill. The job gets done, but it's less painful. Be indirect when talking about mistakes. While starting with praise is great, be careful when you move on to a mistake. If you say you did great, but you've just undone all that praise, instead try being indirect about mistakes so the other person can take it better and learn from it. People often take direct criticism badly. Admit your own mistakes. We all make mistakes. Carnegie suggests owning up to your own mistakes before pointing out others' errors, saying, "I can see why you made that mistake. I've done it too," helps others feel understood and makes it easier for them to accept the correction. Ask questions. Don't give orders. It might feel easier to boss people around, but asking questions works better. For example, instead of telling someone what to do, try asking what they think is the best way to handle a situation. This gives them the responsibility and they'll be more motivated to get it done. Let them save face. No one likes to feel embarrassed, and it's important not to put someone in that position. It can damage their pride. What matters is not what I think of them, but what they think of themselves. Making them feel good about themselves helps maintain their dignity. Always be praising. People perform better when they feel good about themselves. Carnegie says to praise even the smallest improvement. By acknowledging every little success, you lift their spirits and help them achieve more. People can reach their full potential when they feel appreciated. Reputation. Give people a strong reputation to live up to. Lead by example and give others a reason to want to live up to that reputation. It's all about setting a good standard. Make it easy to fix. If someone messes up, never call them out directly. Instead, make the problem feel fixable. Encourage them to correct it and make sure they feel supported. This way, they're more likely to take action and improve. Make them happy. Finally, make the person feel excited about doing what you ask. If they're happy to do it, they'll put more effort into it and do a better job. Spark some enthusiasm and passion so they'll approach the task with energy. Key takeaways. Try to understand other people. Put yourself in their shoes and see things from their perspective. Be honest and upfront. Listen carefully. Avoid arguments and accept differing opinions. Praise and encourage others to help them grow. Ask questions. Don't give orders. Never embarrass someone. Let them keep their dignity. How to Win Friends and Influence People review. After reading How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, I can confidently say this book is a timeless classic when it comes to building better relationships. Carnegie offers real practical advice on improving communication, fostering cooperation, and navigating social situations. The principles he shows, like remembering people's names, showing genuine interest, and being a good listener, are simple but incredibly effective. They can completely transform how you connect with others, both personally and professionally. One of the most powerful lessons from this book is the importance of empathy. By putting ourselves in other people's shoes, we can build stronger, more trusting relationships. In short, How to Win Friends and Influence People is a must-read for anyone looking to improve their social skills. Dale Carnegie's wisdom is still relevant today and can make a real difference in how you interact with others. Our journey with this video ends here. If you want to watch the long summary video of this book, click on the link in the description. And if you want to purchase this book, the purchase link is also available in the description. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Minibook, and follow us on Facebook as well, because we will keep creating similar videos for you regularly. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and keep smiling.